Here we go. Aren't you glad there's not a foot of snow here?
Oh,
yeah, much nicer here. Hi, you. Hi.
Roscoe.
Hi, babies. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, Jackie. Hi. Hi, pretty. Hi. Hey, you. Cutest little puppy. Well, Maya, you shouldn't have gone in there. I know, I'll take you in the office in a minute. I think she's putting on an act.
Oh, Bear, don't run over Missy. Come here.
Don't knock me over. Oh.
Jinx, no.
Watch where you guys are going.
Yeah. Hey, Bear, come here. Bear, hey. Jinx.
Hi, how are you? Hi, baby. Thank you.
Hey.
Hi. Nice and warm in here. Yes, it is. Hi. Hi, honey. Yeah, nice and cozy. Cozy, cozy. Hi. Hi, babies. Well, he was there first. Yeah. He's telling you. Hi. How are you? Oh, careful. Don't get too rough down there.
Bear, Bear. Hey.
You guys take a break.
Yes. You're being too rough for us, okay? You're being too rough for me.
Calm down.
Maggie. Not Maya. Hey, Harley.
I hear a hound dog. Hi, how are you, sweetie? Okay, guys, I'm coming over there. Don't knock me down. See you later, little ones.